Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HUAWEI device to HUAWEI Nova 12S. Begin by opening App Gallery on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. Now tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I accept, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of HUAWEI smartphone and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of HUAWEI Nova 12S. Then you need to tap on all of those categories available at the top of HUAWEI phone and pick all of your files that you wish to send. When you're done, just click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. I will go with only a couple of files, just for example. Then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and select Receive. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!